Morning guys, it's I think a little after 9 and we're headed to Bullfrog Lake and the tarns below Bullfrog in Charlotte Lake and back. Maybe some swimming along the way. Clearly you already know what transpired earlier this morning. So that was pretty cool. But that's our plan for today. Shouldn't be too hard of a hike. Hardest part's gonna be getting to Charlotte. But after that, it's not very hard. Feeling good, no soreness. Yeah, slept good. My heel hurts a bit. I don't know if I mentioned I injured my heel like a day or two prior to the trip. Gouged it, so that hurts a bit. But other than that, I'm doing okay. Have anything to say, Beth?
Like, about what?
Anything?
No.
No? Okay. We are approaching Bullfrog Lake. Oh, jeez. Well, that's very spongy. Yeah. It's deeper out there, but shallow for a ways.
Are you used to it?
Right? Sparkly in the sun.
Yeah.
I gotta get used to it too. So the trail will go around it and down that way. So I filmed predator poop over there, and then I come across this. Wow. Something was killed.
Wow.
Probably a deer. Wow.
Might have got stuck on the frozen lake.
No. Especially, I seriously doubt it, especially with the predator poop that I found a very short distance away. Man. That's crazy. There's probably more bones around. That's crazy. First tarn up ahead. I can see the second tarn as well. What? Oh, there's deer. Two of them. One there, one there. Look. It's like a resort water. Careful, it gets really soggy. Isn't that pretty? Nice sandy bottom.
Pretty cool. I like this one here.
I know. I don't know if there's fish in it or not. As far as I remember, every time I've been here, this has always been flooded, and that used to be a trail. There's the deer. There we go. Got it to look at me. Isn't this nice? It's 10:26 and we just reached the trail junction sign. We took a little break at my old campsite. Ate a little Charlotte Lake, 1.2 miles. So we're just coming up to the trail junction sign. Let's see what time it is here. 10:44. We talked to the Charlotte Lake Ranger who is headed out on a patrol. Shortly before this. Yes. So, yeah, coming into view, full view of Prairie Lakes, Charlotte Lake.
Very pretty.
Mm-hmm. So it's 11:38 and we're headed out of Charlotte Lake. Head back towards camp, probably making a stop to swim along the way. Oh yeah, and Beth got to see a pika, which is not very common. Big pika. So it's 12:06 and we just reached the top of the thing to get to the junction. Going back to Kearsarge. I don't know why, but it seems like it takes such a long time to go the 0.7 miles down. Yet it seems like it takes less time going up. Is that how it felt to you too?
What?
It felt like it took less time to get up than to go down? That's so weird. I don't get it. Well, this is going to be the first time I'm going to try and swim in a tarn or a lake here in the Sierra. Ouch, that's sharp. Oh, that's a little cold. No, I'm good. Oh, I see tadpoles. Ouch. Oh. A little rockier than I thought it'd be. Oh, it's not too bad, but it is kind of cold.
Wait.
What?
Let me.
No, leave that alone. Leave that alone. That's fine. Oh, I thought you were trying to take off the tape. Tadpole.
Oh, it's cold.
A little bit. Oh, look at all the little tadpoles.
It is rocky. I could get my shoes.
I'm surprised. It didn't look rocky. Oh well. Ooh. 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 Oh, that's rocky. Oh, that's cold. Ah. Oof. I gotta get used to it. It's pretty cold. I'm probably just gonna end up wading and not actually swimming, and the mud does kind of suck on your feet a bit. So I think that's probably all that I'm going to do. It's kind of cold, and there's water beetles, which I think can give a painful bite if I remember correctly. It's been a long time, but it's 2:43 and we just made it back to camp. So good hike.